New day, new week. Yeah, the past days we had a lot of rain. Almost 4 days without electricity. But yesterday we had a lot of sun again, which was great. So at the moment we have electricity again, but it's also starting to rain again. So we will see how it goes. Now in the afternoon we will make firewood and do some things outside. And before midday I worked on a novel. It's going a little bit slow in the moment, but at least I am making progress. That is the main thing. So yeah, it's good, it's going, and we will see what this week will bring. First day of the week is over. It's Monday evening. I'm sitting by the fire now, just enjoying the silence. But we really had quite a lot of rain today, and so we actually couldn't do new firewood, which is a bit bad because we almost have nothing left. Maybe for like tomorrow or one other day, but yeah, tomorrow we definitely have to do it. Yeah, and in the afternoon we had 2 friends over. Also the last week I've been seeing people from around here, and it feels really good to getting to know the people who are basically my neighbors now. And so far I'm really happy. Looks like I'm having very good people around here. I'm very, very glad about that. Very thankful for every person around you who has a positive energy or a good influence on the surroundings and the other people around you is a very important factor in life. And especially out here, where there are definitely not so many people living here in the hills, but the few people who are living here, and at least the ones I have met so far, are very friendly, respectful, creative. It's very good. I like it. How does it feel to be out here? I have really been thinking about that. It's so strange because from one day to the other I moved from a city to this really remote place here, and I have been trying to figure out, okay, how am I feeling about this? Like, what is it doing to me to have this big change all of a sudden? But for now, I'm not particularly sad about leaving the city. Yes, there are definitely some people I would like to be able to see more often, but the other stuff, I'm not missing too much of the city. I do enjoy being out here for several reasons, and I want to talk about that after putting new wood into the furnace. I have also talked about this with the friend who was here today. To be out here in the middle of nowhere, in the hills, in the forest, you get a very deep connection to the earth, to the weather, to the seasons, to the phases of moon. It's incredible. I have seen 2 full moons now in the period I've been here now. And whenever we have full moon, you can almost see colors in the night because it gets so bright. And when it's new moon, it is completely dark. So because all the lights from the cities are so far away, we have just this beautiful clear sky. So also the phases of the moon appear much stronger, and I really like to experience that because I can experience the natural rhythms of living on this planet. It's stormy and rainy outside, so I will rather stay here. I've set up my easel, and this is a quite old project actually. I started this drawing months ago, if not years. I think it might even be like 1 or 2 years. So I've not been painting too much over the last month, but now there's the time again. And here are my drawings. I mean, here's some stuff. People might know this from my Instagram. So this is quite old. I have to find it again. This one also very nice. I want to do this as a painting as well. This is from 2018, by the way. These are all from 2018. And now it should... okay, I already skipped it actually. Okay, let's see. Not so easy to see through all of this. Oh, there's one missing here. That's not good. I should not be missing anything. Okay. This one, I like this one as well. Okay, I will show you these step by step. Okay, yeah, this is from 2019. And it's this one here. And for some reason, I've always liked this drawing. The old man sitting in the chaos, but still being connected, or I'm not sure if still is the correct word, but being connected to higher forces, or even caught by higher forces. So things are lying in ruin. He's unsure where he is. Maybe not remembering the past, trying to figure out fragments of memories. And I want to put this on a bigger scale here. And I've also flipped it. Yeah. Alright. So, we will get this out, I think. To have it here. Yeah, it's quite stormy today. I hope it doesn't get worse. But we are going out to make firewood now. Just grabbing some saws, and we will see. I mean, at least we have some sun for the solar energy. That's good. But the wind is very, very heavy, very strong. Okay, let's see. I will just stay out of distance from old trees. Our old cork oak over there. I don't know. Might be that branches fall down, so we definitely have to be careful when we're walking outside here now. But I can tell you, I still like it. It's rough, it's cold, but I like it. Feels like an adventure. And as long as you can be sure that in the evening you will have a warm fire in the furnace, everything's fine. I like it. Makes me feel alive. Looks nice. And the sun comes out. Ah, thank you. And it's gone. Wow. Okay, it's fine. Okay, well, yeah. We did cut some wood here, but we just kept it outside here. Maybe we should have put it back there under the roof. It's good stuff, but it's not drying. Shit. Okay, I will do that right now, actually. For now, I just put it here. Nice. Good. Now it can dry a little bit. I mean, here is other stuff which was not supposed to be out in the rain. Yeah, with this rain, this wind is always falling. Oh, now we can see this thing, because now it's dry. Okay. So what I have done is I have cleaned this area here a little bit at least, and I have collected stuff here. So this is dirt which is completely full with wild olives. So I need to transport this to somewhere else or even burn it, so that all the olives won't grow. Because if I have hundreds of new wild olives here next year in this area, that might not be that practical. And I found this. The rosemary is growing roots, and it was part of the bigger one here. So I can put this somewhere to grow a new one. Also, this was a really nice piece of art in my opinion. Someone took the lower part of a tree with the roots still here, cleaned it up really nicely, made a flat surface here and 3 spots for candlelights. And I don't know why, but for some reason this was here outside on the ground in the rain. I don't know why. I will try to clean it because I think it was absolutely amazing. So I will try to restore this thing. Yeah, I want to try this out. Because, I mean, yes, it's still a bit dirty. But I want to see candles in this. That's where I worked, I think 2 weeks ago. Looks good. I like it. 3 different kinds next to each other. Now look at these beauties. What happened to you guys? Oh my god. That might have been the rain. The wind. Collecting thinner stuff now for starting the fire. This is perfect stuff here.